During the last class, we looked at this particular question on the right, this question, and we could see from the question that it says there are 5 points A, B, C, D, E, and they are part of a regular polygon. Okay, fine. The main point that has been given to us is this issue, regular polygon. Of course, we should know what a polygon is. Polygons, say examples of polygons. It is based on the number of sides. If the number of sides equal 3, if it has 3 sides, what name do we call it? 3 sides. What name do we call it, Serenity?
Um,
What do you call it? 3 sides. What do you call the shape with 3 sides?
Triangle.
Triangle. That's very good because it has 3 sides, and definitely it must have 3 angles. Angle, angle exists between two lines where they meet. So angle one is here. There's this other angle, and there's this other angle, making 3 angles. The name of this is a triangle because it has 3 angles and 3 sides. Good. But this is just a normal triangle. And when you add the 3 angles together, add the 3 angles in a triangle, okay?
Okay.
In a triangle, it must be equal to 180 degrees because angles are measured in degrees. Now, if they now said it is a regular polygon, okay?
Mm.
Regular polygon means all the angles must be equal, okay?
Yeah.
Regular polygon means all angles are what? Are what? All angles are what? Please, I want you to concentrate so
Um,
that you can be responding. All angles are what? Yeah.
one, two.
Wait, I said in a regular polygon, it means all the angles are what? Look at this on the board. Yes. Respond. This is it on the board. All, ang- all angles are equal, okay? Exactly.
Yeah.
Good. So if the sum of angle in a triangle is 180 and all of them are equal, so what will be the value of each angle of a regular polygon that has 3 sides?
Um,
You know, we're talking about a triangle now, right?
yeah.
So what will be the value of each angle in a triangle given that all of the angles are equal? You know, the total should be 180, right?
Yeah.
So if three of the angles are 180, what is the value of one angle? You know, like you have 380 pounds and you want to give it to your 3 friends equally. So 180 pounds to your 3 friends equally. How much will you give to one person? Yes.
Um,
Or let's break it down this way. You have just 30 pounds. Are you with me? Can you hear me?
Yeah.
You have just 30 pounds and you want to give it to your three friends equally, three of them. How much will you give to one person?
I can't see your screen.
Oh, maybe that's a network. Hold on. Check it again now. Can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Can you see it now?
Yeah.
Not yet. Okay, let me stop sharing the screen. Then I will share it again, okay?
Okay.
Right now. So let me try to share it again. Okay. So how about now?
Yeah.
Okay, you can see it now. All right. Now each angle. Okay, so I'm not talking about angle now. I'm talking about you having 30 pounds and you want to give it to your friends. You have friends, right? Right. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? You have friends. So
Yeah.
three of your friends, you want to give them, 30 pounds and you want to share it for them equally. How much will you give to one person? Yes. How much will you give to one person?
Um.
Hello, are you sure you are focusing on this?
Um. I am.
Or should I repeat the question?
Oh, please.
Ehen. If you have 30 pounds and you want to share it for your friends, there are three of them. You want to share 30 pounds equally. How much will you give to one person?
Um. um not sure.
Hold on. Repeat the question. What's the question? What's the question I asked you?
I can't see. Okay, never mind. So it says.
I mean, I didn't write the question. The question is not on the board. So you just need to listen and think about what I say and answer. Okay.
I don't know.
Now, listen again. You have 30 pounds. You have how much? I say,
30 pounds.
yeah, you want to share it among your three friends. So how much will you give to one person if you are to share it equally?
Um.
30 pounds for your three friends equally. How much would one person get?
Um.
Yeah? Can you hear me?
Not really. I can't do it in my head.
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
I said I said if you have 30 pounds and you want to share it for your three friends, I will appreciate if you stop touching your screen and just listen. Because you are being distracted, that's why I'm repeating the same thing up to the 10th time and you are still not responding. 30 pounds for your three friends. Equally, you want to share 30 pounds for the three of them. How much will you give to one person?
Um.
Mhm. What's the total money you want to
Um,
share for the three of them? £30. So, yeah, good, £30. So, how much will you give to one person?
um,
Yeah. So, what's the answer?
um,
What question did I ask you?
if
Repeat the question that I asked you. Yeah.
you have £30 and you want to buy it with some of your friends, how much would it cost?
No, I didn't ask you how much will it cost. I didn't ask you to buy anything. I said share £30 for your three friends. I said what?
Friends with your 30. You're glitching so much I can't really hear you.
Okay. Share £30 for your three friends. How much will you give to one person?
Say you're friends with 30. Say you're £30 with your three friends, how much will you give to one person?
Yeah. How much? What do you call it?
10.
10. But here we're not talking about £30. We're talking about 180 degrees. Share it between three angles equally. What is the value of each angle?
Um, I'm not even sure.
Think about it. How did you get 10 for the £30 among three friends?
30 divided by 3.
Good. Do the same thing to 180. So 180 among three angles equally.
Um,
Yes. What will it be? That'll be 60. Do you think so? Do you think it will be 60?
I think so.
Yeah, because 180 divided by 3, that is 18 divided by 3 is 6, then equals 0, and that is 60 degrees. So this is only 60 degrees because we assume that it's a regular polygon and it has three sides and it's a triangle. And the name of this is equilateral triangle. Okay? Okay?
Yeah,
Equilateral what? Triangle.
okay.
So it means the three sides are equal and the angles must be equal too. Now, if if a shape has four sides, what's the name of the shape? Wait, if a shape has three sides, please don't touch
Um,
anything and concentrate. If a shape has three sides, it's a triangle. If a shape has four sides, what's the name of the shape?
okay.
A
Okay.
shape
Um,
with four sides is called a quadrilateral.
a sacred.
It's called what?
Um,
Quadrilateral. It's called what? A shape with four sides is called what?
um,
Quadrilateral. Are you concentrating?
I am
A shape with four sides is called what?
square.
Read this for me. What's this? Read this for me.
All shapes correctly.
I mean this one, only this one. This.
Yeah, I'm reading it.
Yeah, what's this called? What's this called?
Right.
Quadrilateral. Quadrilateral. Say it again.
Quadrilateral.
Good. So a shape with four sides is called a quadrilateral. Is that clear? Then we can have
Yeah.
a quadrilateral that has all the sides equal, and that's a square. And we can have a quadrilateral that has two opposite sides equal, and that's a rectangle. And we can just have a random quadrilateral, okay?
Okay.
Like this, like this, and like this. Once it has four sides, okay, it's a quadrilateral. Is that clear? But what is the difference between these three quadrilaterals? Number one is that this one is a square because all the sides are equal. This side equal to this side, equal to this side, and equal to this side. Is that clear? Is that clear?
Yeah.
Good. And the other one has two opposite sides equal. Okay? Two opposite sides are what?
Okay.
Two opposite sides are what? Equal. Two opposite sides are what? Serenity, can you hear me?
Opposites.
Two
Yeah.
opposite, yeah,
It's an
two opposite sides are equal. I want you to say that.
the opposites sides are equal.
Yeah, two opposite sides are equal. So that means this side that I mark in blue is equal to the other side that I mark in blue. Okay?
Okay.
Then the one I marked in yellow is also equal to the other one I marked in yellow. So two opposite sides are equal. But the other one, none of the sides are equal. Okay?
Okay.
Yet they are all quadrilaterals. Okay, for the square, each of the angle is 90 degree. Okay? Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Each angle in a square is what? 90 degrees.
Which
Is what?
90
90
degrees.
degrees. And each angle in a rectangle is also what?
We glitched.
Is 90 degrees. So, but for the other one, this is not 90 degrees, okay?
Okay.
Yeah. If you check this one, it will be greater than 90, while the other one will be less than 90, this one will be less than 90, and this one will be greater than 90. So, but it's still a quadrilateral, okay?
Okay.
Now, let's go back to the shape we were given. But before we go back to it, why do we need to know, or how can we know the number of sides of a particular shape that we were not given all of the sides? Because in this question, all the sides were not given. Is that clear?
Okay.
In this particular question, all the sides were not given. But they asked us to find how many sides it has. They even asked us to find some of the angles. They said we should find this angle ABC. We should also find this angle BCF. Then we should find the angle CFB. Okay?
Yes.
We can't really do that if we don't know the number of sides of this shape, because the shape has to continue and they say it's regular. That means this side is equal to this side, is equal to this side, is equal to this side, must be equal to the other sides too. Okay, maybe like this, maybe like this, maybe like this until it joins. Is that clear?
Yeah.
Good. But how do we know how many sites we are looking for? How many sites have we been given already? One, two, three, four. Okay.
Yeah.
Now, what we need to do is what I wanted to explain here. We need to find the exterior angle of the shape. We need to find what? The exterior angle. Okay. Finding what? Look at the board.
Shape.
Exterior what? Angles. Now for this particular one, if I've been given one of the angles to be 60, okay,
Okay.
and they said it's a regular polygon, which means all the angles are equal for that particular polygon. Let's assume they give me only this. Wait, yeah, let's assume I was given only this particular shape, okay?
Okay.
Or let me say a portion of the shape. Bring the portion out like this portion. Given only this, and they said, please listen to this because I'll be asking you a question. They said, this angle is from a regular polygon, okay?
Okay.
And I said, name the polygon, okay? Name the what? Name the what? Name the what?
I don't understand.
I said you should read, okay, read this for me. That's what I'm saying. Yes, read this.
This angle is so what does that say? I can't really read your writing.
This angle is from a regular polygon. Name the polygon. Now read it, let me hear you.
This angle is from a regular
Regular polygon.
polygon.
Continue.
This angle is this angle is from a regular polygon. Name the polygon.
Good, good. I'm just trying to say, let me show you what we're supposed to do in order to name the polygon. Okay?
Okay.
Though we know it's from a triangle, but let's assume we don't even know. Okay? So all we needed to do, or all we need to do, is to find the exterior angle. Find the what?
Pardon?
I said all we need to do is to find the exterior angle. Find the what?
Exterior angle.
The angle you were given is an interior angle, okay?
Okay.
That's an internal angle. Is that clear? Now, to find the exterior angle, we simply need to choose any of the line and continue that line like this, okay?
Okay.
I could choose this line on the horizontal or I choose this slanting line. Is that clear? Once I choose it, all I need to do is that I will know that this is total of 180. Total of what?
80.
180. Okay.
Okay.
So if this is a total of 180, then 60 is already out of it. What do you think the remaining portion should be? Tell me.
Um.
If the total is 180 and you have cut away 60 from 180, so what should be the remaining?
What's this? Three.
What do you call it?
Three.
No. Remove 60 from 180 and tell me what remains.
I don't know.
How do you tell me you don't know? Subtract.
Where's that come?
You said?
When did that come?
I said, wait a minute. I said 180 minus 120. So what should that be? I mean, 180 minus 60. What should that be?
30.
180
Oh, wait.
minus 60. Write it down and at least do it, okay? Can you tell me the result? Is that clear? You know, the total angle on that line should be 180, right?
Yeah.
And the internal part in the shape is already 60. So what should be the remaining if you cut out 60 from 180? If I have 180 pounds, what don't did you read my question by typing? I mean, did I type the question? I want to hear your response. So what's the response?
120.
Good. 120 degrees. Okay.
Okay.
So once we have known the external angle and it's a regular polygon, we don't know how many sides it has. We'll just say number of sides n times the external angle must be equal to 360 degrees. So let me write a formula for that before I even write it down. Okay.
Okay.
So number of sides of a polygon, number of sides n of a polygon times exterior angle, okay,
Okay.
must be 360 for a regular polygon. That is for what? Any regular what? Polygon. Is that clear?
Okay.
For any regular polygon. So this principle must hold. We want to know, we have known the external angle here is 120. Yes or no?
No.
So number of sides now times 120 equal to 360. How can we get the number of sides? We just divide both sides by 120. Is that clear?
Yep.
So 120n over 120 equal to 360 also over 120, right?
Okay.
Then 120 cancels 120 here. So n equal to 3 sides. N equal to what? N equal to 3 sides. N equal to what? 3 sides. Let me hear that.
Triangle.
Yeah, the shape is a triangle, okay?
Okay.
The shape is a triangle. Now, that one is easy because we already have the interior angle. Let us now go back to the shape we were given. Here, we don't even have any interior angle, but we have an information that can lead us to the interior angle. Is that clear? Now, let's go back. You know, we solved this yesterday, right? So from the center, we're given that this place is the center according to the question. So from the center, we've been given a particular angle that CDO is 70 degrees. So let's check it from here. CDO is what? 70 degrees. So it means if I have a line from the center and join between C, D, and O to form a triangle, okay?
Yep.
You can see C, D, and O forming triangle, right? So the angle at the middle, D, is 70. So at D, I have 70 according to the questions. But this is not the internal angle. It's just part of the internal angle. The internal angle range from here to here, or from here to here, or from here to here. So these are just three angles out of all the angles of the shape. Is that clear?
Okay.
Now, since we have been able to find this to be 60, then this line and this line are equal because they are both from the center. Okay?
Okay.
Then given the fact that we are trying to find the what's it called now? The exterior angle, okay? And
Okay.
we've been able to locate two of the angles here, but they do not make the interior angle yet, let alone helping us find the exterior angle. If you remember, we're able to get the exterior angle of this particular shape by extending one of the lines that form the angle and getting the angle that complement it to make 180. Okay. Now this time around, we have we have the other angle. We can try to join this side to this. Okay.
Okay.
So if we join it, then the line will be equal as well to the other lines. Then it will make 70 degree also. Then this will be 70 degree. That means each of the interior angle will be 140 degrees. Okay.
Okay.
Which is 70 plus 70. So that means this is 140. This place also is 140. This is also 140. There is a part of the question that says find angle ABC. So angle ABC is henceforth 140 degrees. Is that clear?
Okay.
Good. Now we want to find how many sides has this shape. All we needed to do, or all we need to do, is to find, you know, is to extend the line of any of the angle, the interior angle. As I extend this line, you can see that blue line or whatever line. So the angle here is supposed to be 180, but the internal part is 140. So what will be the external part here? The total is 180.
Your
We
board is
have,
small again.
what do you say?
Your board is small again.
Small, and but you can hear me. So just respond to what I ask. Because if you say small, I can just make it big, but to be way too big. So now, I'm saying the total angle on that line is 180. We already have 140 as a portion of the 180. So what should be the remaining portion? This is
Um.
140. What will be the remaining outside? That is 40 degrees to make 180. So once you get that 40 degree, then you've gotten the external angle. We can now use it to find the number of sides based on this principle that we explained here. Do you still remember this principle? So if we explain that principle, we now say since our exterior angle is 40 degrees, so exterior angle equal to 40 degrees. Then we can say number of sides n times the 40 degrees must give us 360. So the shape must have how many sides? N equal to 360 degrees over 40 degrees. Okay?
Okay.
Then N would what? What is 360 over 40? That's 9. So N is 9 sides. So what's the name of the shape?
Um. No, gone.
Non-angle. Is that clear?
Yeah. Can I
And
try
that's
now?
why and that's why I brought this angle, this shape out to represent it, okay?
Okay.
Is that clear now?
Okay.
I know you want to go, but before you go, just explain anything you understand about this concept. Explain just anything you can explain. Then you go.
Oh, Polygon example number of these sides equals 3 equals angles. Goodbye.
Hey, okay, Annabelle, over to you. Annabelle, how are you?
Okay.
Okay, you're welcome to your class for today. Don't mind your sister, okay?
Uh,
Okay,
okay.
she doesn't just want to do anything. I don't know. But don't worry, I know that it's only because she's on holiday, but you two are on holiday and you're cooperating, right?
Mm.
Uh-huh. Okay.
And she only wants to watch TV.
You said what?
She only wants to watch TV.
Oh, no wonder she wants to watch TV. She forgot that the people are on TV. They've gone to school and they've left school before acting on television.
Mm.
Okay. Okay. So after the lesson, you have to tell her that people that she's watching on television, they already finished their own school before acting on television. Okay.
Okay.
And so you don't allow them to waste your time. Though you can watch them just at your extra time, not at your main time. Okay.
Okay.
All right. So we're going to get started with your own class shortly. Just hold on a bit, okay? Meanwhile, you can use that time to snap your assignment and send to me. Is it possible? Is your mom around?
She is around. She's just in her room.
Okay, okay. Maybe you should snap your assignment with her phone and try to send to me, okay?
So, what did you say?
You were given an assignment yesterday, right?
Yes.
Yeah, snap it. You've done it, right?
Yes.
Okay, snap it and send it to me. Then we'll continue your class, okay?
Well, I don't understand what you mean snap it.
Okay, take a photograph of the assignment with your mom's phone, then send it to me on our WhatsApp. Just tell your mom. I'm going to message her right now, okay?
Okay.
So once you've done that, we're going to start the class, okay? Yeah.